Hello YouTube. Here is a video showing a quick overview of a Hollands number 399 pipe vise. Its overall dimensions are 10 inches tall, about 7 inches across, and about 5 inches deep. This has a two-hole contact and is designed to fit over, well, maybe not. Maybe it's designed to fit flush on the edge of a workbench. It has a usable jaw opening of, looks like about 2 1/4 inches. It's designed to hold the pipe safely without crushing it during the rethreading process. If anyone has any idea when the Hollands Model 399 was produced in Erie, Pennsylvania, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.